So in continuous tense, we are putting up the things which are going on continuously, whether it is present continuous, whether it is past continuous, or whether it is future continuous. In present continuous, we are mentioning the thing which is currently going on, like Ram is reading a book. Okay. So what is the formula of this? Subject plus SMR plus verb first form plus ing
I am playing
plus
with my
object.
friends.
Yes, I am playing with my friends. You can write this sentence. With I, we are using am. With singular, we are using is. And with plural, we are using are. I am playing with my friends. Now, if we want to change them into interrogative, okay. So,
Okay.
what will be the formula? Interrogative. First, we'll do the negative subject plus plus is mr plus not plus verb first form verb first form plus ing plus object. Yes. What is the
The
so,
negative is also there in
yes,
present continuous.
yes, negative also is there and interrogative is also there. So we'll change these sentences into negative. What will come? Ram is reading a book. Ram is not reading a book. Ram is Ram is not reading a book.
We
Not
are not working in a team.
Ram is not reading a book. Yes, Ram is not reading a book. And when I'm changing into interrogative, so what I'm going to write here, auxiliary verb will come in the beginning. Okay, auxiliary verb will come in the beginning. So I'm writing here, reading a book. So you'll remove subject from here. Okay, is MR plus subject, subject plus verb first form plus object, and here you are going to put up a question mark. So change this sentence same. Is Ram reading a book? Clear, children? If it is clear to you, just show me your virtual thumbs. So when we are changing into interrogative, we are putting auxiliary verb first. Okay? Clear to everyone? Or any problem to anyone? Okay, fine. So I think up to this much is clear. Now we'll move on to the past continuous tense. Okay? Past continuous. What will be the changes in past continuous? That in past it was going on. Okay? In the past moment it was going on. So we are despite of is MR, we are going to use was were. Subject plus, I'll just copy it down. See, so you can see here, children, subject plus is MR plus not. What we are going to do it, we'll write here was were. Despite of is MR, we are going to write was were. Subject plus was were plus verb first form plus ing. So you can see the changes. Where is the changes? Only is MR is changes into was verb. Okay, and was we are using with singular and were we are using with plural. Okay, so same sentence I can change into this past. Ram was reading a book. Okay, Ram was reading a book. Ram was reading a book. Reading a book. Okay, Ram was reading a book.
We were working with in team.
Yes. So you can see here now if I want to change into interrogative, so what I'm going to do, can you tell me what I'm going to do if I want to change it into interrogative?
Ma'am, was where will come in the starting and subject will go after was were.
With negative. I'm asking with negative. With negative we are going to do negative.
We will put a not.
Very good. We will put not here.
For example, Ram was not reading a book.
Absolutely correct. Absolutely correct. So I think now this is clear to you. You are able to do negative, interrogative. Okay. So same you will change it to Ram was not reading a book. And in interrogative we are going to do was, were plus subject. Auxiliary verb will come first. Plus subject plus not plus you can say verb first form plus ing plus object. Okay. So I can write here was, were in the beginning. Was, were plus subject plus yes. So was Ram reading a book? Okay. Am I clear? These changes are you are going to make. And in future continuous that some work will be going on in future. So we are going to write what is the formula for that.
Ma'am, this is we will do in notebook.
You can write down in notebook, no problem. Because you have
Okay,
to memorize the formula, so you can
And
write.
future continuous denote
Yes.
an action.
Yes. Now we are going to write here will be, shall be, will be, shall be. Plus verb first form will be the same. Will be, will, shall be. Will, shall be. Shall be. Subject. Subject plus will, shall be plus verb first form plus ing plus object. Okay. Ram will be reading a book. Is it clear? And again, if we want to change it into negative, Ram will not be reading a book. Okay. Will Ram reading a book? Will Ram be reading a book? Clear? Clear to everyone?
I
So
will
now,
be playing Ludo at time.
yes. So now we will move on to the exercise part. Okay. Now we move on to the exercise part. As you can see here, I'm eating rice, you are eating rice, she is eating rice. So we are using here present continuous. Then past continuous, I was eating rice, you were eating rice, she was eating rice. Future continuous, I shall be eating rice, you will be eating rice, she will be eating rice. Okay. The present continuous tense is used to describe an action that is happening now or is continuing at the present tense. Like she is singing my favorite song. The present continuous describes an action that has been going on over a period of time, including the present. These days I'm learning German. So in these days I'm learning German means I'm going on daily basis. The present continuous is also used to denote an action that is going to take. I have already told you that we can use present continuous in the future event also, like we are going to Shimla tomorrow. Okay, so for future event also you can use present continuous tense. And in past continuous is described, used to describe an action going on at a point of time or over a period of time in the past. Like we were watching television all evening. I was working the whole day. Then the future continuous tense is used. Okay, like the past continuous denotes an action that was in progress when another action took place. This is very important. Okay, like one work is finished and the other is started. Like they were sleeping when I reached their house. So you can see here that there are two actions. They were sleeping, one action. When I reached their house, second action. Okay, there also we are using past continuous tense. Then the future continuous tense is used to denote an action that will be in progress at some time in the future. Sunny will be playing chess at that time. Okay. So now we are going to do the practice part. Underline the words in each of these sentences and identify the tenses. Choose from the given list given in the box below. We will wait for Seema at the bus stop as it is getting late. Can you tell me this
Simple
tense it is?
future.
Very good. Absolutely correct. It's simple future.
Ma'am, simple future.
Yes, it's simple future. You can write here simple future. For simple future, we are going to write SF. Okay. What we are going to write? SF. SF. Next one. Tell me the next one, children.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
past continuous.
When when Madiha was searching for a book, she found an old watch. Past continuous and found a found simple past. Okay, you have to tell both the tenses which are used in the sentence. Okay. Okay, children, you have to use both the sentences. Like in this sentence, when Madiha was searching for a book, she found an old watch. So there are two tenses you can see. Mute yourself. So you can see that there are two tenses. Past continuous is also there. Can you tell me what is past continuous here, Tanish? As you have given the
Ma'am,
answer.
Ma'am,
Past
was
continuous.
searching for a book.
Very good.
And there is future
Yes.
continuous in third one.
First, we'll finish the second one. As you can see in this sentence, when Madiha was searching a book. So this is past continuous. She found. So you can see here, found. Okay, found is second form, as I taught you in earlier chapter. Okay, so found here is simple past. That's why I have written past continuous and simple past. Okay. Now the third sentence is they will be working night shifts. Tell me which kind of sentence is it?
Future continuous.
Very good. For future continuous, we are going to write FC. Then they need money. So you can see here first form of the verb. So which tense it is? They need money. They need
Ma'am,
money.
simple future.
They
Then
need money,
simple
beta.
present.
Simple present. Absolutely correct. If it is simple future, so will shall will be there. And there is no will shall, it means it is simple present. Okay. If it is clear, show me your virtual thumbs. Rayan, you want to ask anything? Yes, Rayan. Rayan,
Yes,
you want to
ma'am.
ask anything?
Yes, मैम मैम थोड़ा टाइम पहले मैम आपने बोला था दैट
Speak in
इन
English.
पास्ट कंटिन्यूअस
Speak in English.
Yes, ma'am. मैम 1 second.
You think you can be bilingual. Rayan, you can
Yes,
be
ma'am.
bilingual. You can use Hindi plus English if you are not comfortable.
Okay, ma'am.
Speak up.
मैम थोड़ा टाइम पहले यू सेड दैट इन पास्ट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस वो होता है जो past में हो रहा था. And ma'am, in past tense, so ma'am, in easy language, I want to ask what is the difference between past tense and past continuous tense?
In past tense, it was finished. Okay, the work was finished. I got there last evening. So you have gone. Okay, I have been going there for last evening. I had been going there for last evening. I was going there for last evening. Now you got to know what is the difference.
Okay, ma'am.
Like I went there, it means you have gone there. Okay. Then I was going there. So it means you was continuously going over there last evening. Difference is clear to you or not? When you were doing
Yes, ma'am.
when you were traveling, like I was traveling to Shimla. Okay, I went to Shimla. It means you are there. You were there. Yes, beta.
मैम SPR का क्या मतलब होता है?
Simple present. Can you speak in English, beta? What is the meaning of or what does the SPR denote?
मैम the fourth
SPR
one is
denotes simple present.
simple past.
Wait, let me ask the sentence, then only you are going to give answer. I invited some friends for dinner. I invited. Now tell me, beta, who was telling me the answer? I invited some present. Simple past. Absolutely correct. Beta, you have to check the verbs. If it is in second form, it is simple past. Okay. If it is in first form, without will shall, then it is simple present. Okay. And if it accompanies will shall and verb first form, then it will be simple future. Okay. Mute yourself. My mother cooked Italian food. My mother cooked. Very good.
Simple past.
Yes.
Ma'am, simple past.
My mother cooked Italian food. Okay. So next one is now